Hi, welcome to How to Repair. Today we're quickly going to be showing you how to remove the inner glass from a Beko oven and also quickly showing you how to remove the door for cleaning. First thing you need to do is open the door. Now on the early types of appliance you did have a plastic clip that you had to remove and you might have had to use a screwdriver just to lever this off. On the new ones they're much better, a lot of thought being put into it. There's just two buttons that you press, one on either side, and you just press these in, releasing the catches to remove the glass. Now the next thing you need to do is make sure that you put a towel down to put the glass on, because you do not want to scratch it, and also you want it in a nice safe position so you don't damage it or break it. Lifting the glass up, sliding it towards you, you'll be able to remove the glass. Now, it's got two sides to the glass, so do remember that it is the shiny side that doesn't have any heat-proof paint on it that is actually facing inwards on the oven. Placing that on the top, and that's ready for cleaning. Now, when it does come to the cleaning, you'll normally use your oven cleaners or a very strong detergent to remove the stains off it. I have no problems with people using this type of scourer, which is the soft green one which you use for cleaning things in the kitchen sink. But do not use the wire ones. You will scratch the glass and damage it, and it will also cause problems with either the glass shattering because you have put scratches in the glass, or it will cause problems where you're able to see the glass, the scratches in the glass through the oven door. Next, we're going to remove the oven door. Now, I will zoom in for you here. Now, you may have had one of two systems which were fitted to the Beko cookers. Some of the Beko cookers have a catch that you lock over and then take the whole hinge out of the door. But on a lot of the new ones, you only have a button on the side here, and I will zoom in on the side video for you. You need to press these down and carefully press them down not to slip and go onto the glass. Once you've pressed these down, you're able to lift the door up until it naturally comes into its position here. At this point, you'll be able to slide this away. Make sure you don't do it with the door down because these have got a lot of tension in them, and if you make a mistake, they can either shatter the glass or do damage to your fingers. That is now ready to take away and give it a clean. Exactly the same, you would take it to the sink, give it a clean, remove all the grease, but again, do not use any hard scourers on the glass, as you will damage it. To replace it is quite simple. Just lift it up, slide it onto the two hinges, make sure it goes in the correct runners, then bring it down. Now we have to release the clasps, and they are quite sticky. And the easiest way of doing this is if you come to the inside and put your screwdriver here, then lock them into place. The catches are on the inside and the outside. And just lock them up. This then will go into the shut position. And just do it a couple of times to make sure that you've got it locked correctly. And you'll feel that it's not moving on the hinges. Again, to replace the glass, make sure you put the glass in the correct way. Slide it down, put it in place, drop it down, give it a wipe at that point to remove any fingerprints off it. Then you can put your clip back on. These just go in either side. And as soon as you hear them click, you know it's locked in place. And there we go. I hope this video helped you fix your cooker or oven. Remember, if you have any further questions, I will need your brand, your model number, and a detailed description of the fault. Or you could upload a video to YouTube and send us the link. You can either use the comments below or the contact us page at the website, and the link is in the description below. And if you do need any parts for your cooker or oven, remember some parts are serial number dependent, so make sure you have all the relevant information before ordering the parts. Thank you very much indeed for watching this video. If we really helped you, you can always click on the Bipolar Beer page to support the website, as that's what keeps us going and able to make these videos for you. Thank you very much indeed for watching.